Well, this is a prime example of what can go wrong when you think the storm has already passed. Dawn Savino was here in this house when she felt this big red maple tree fall right on her roof. We can take a look up at the roof. You can see it runs all the way across. That is a brand new roof, by the way, and fell right across their air conditioner. There are cable lines down. They've called the insurance company. They're waiting to see what to do next. Let me give you an idea of how big this tree was. If you look at the roots, the root system here is huge. And now they are just trying to recover emotionally from being at home. Dawn Savino was at home with her son when this tree came crashing through their roof.
Felt like the earth kind of shook, and then we heard a loud boom, and I just screamed because I knew where my son was, you know, and it sounded like it came through everything. So I was pretty scared. We could have really got hurt. I mean, me and my son were talking. Yeah, we could have really got hurt very bad. And I'm just thankful that we didn't. You know, when I heard it, I just ran and screamed his name because, you know, you think the worst at first.
Absolutely. They feel lucky to be alive at this point, but now comes the hard part. They've contacted the insurance company, JEA. They had someone out here to take a look at the tree just to get it off the roof. They tell us the estimate is $1,600. So the hard work here is yet to come. We're live in Arlington. Alicia Booth, Channel 4, the local station.